Are you working with a toxic boss or colleague? Is it impacting on your emotional, psychological, and physical well-being? I've coached hundreds of targets of toxic leaders, and I can help you to maintain your professionalism even when being targeted by destructive leadership behaviours. I've created a survival kit that can help you. My survival kit gives you an evidence-based process to respond to destructive leadership in a more effective way, rather than reacting in ways that might damage your reputation. I also recommend you engage a coach to help you experiment with new ways of dealing with this issue and even perhaps plan your exit strategy. So go to my website now to download your copy, incisiveleaders.com.au. Take control of your career and move beyond surviving at work to thriving.